my slime collection. Dun, 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 dun.
Hey guys, it's me, Mia, and today I'm doing part 2 of my slimes. Showing you all my slimes, like slime collection basically. So, I'm super excited. Last time I posted it a little while ago, not too long ago, but yeah. And so, yeah, I don't have very many slimes, so it's gonna be a short video. You might not see my face a little bit because, like, I want you to show you. And I'm on my slime desk. Last time I was back there. This time I'm over here, so it's not the floor, I promise. So I hope you guys love my slime collection, and let's get started.
Let's go. So this is the first slime. Now the container is broken, I am aware. And some of them might be broken, but I will be fixing them. So let's take it out. This is a nice fluffy slime. And it smells super nice. It is purple. Not super sticky, but it's a little sticky. And it's really nice. You heard that bubble, guys? And we're just going to make a bubble with this, guys. So let's put that to the side. Good bubble. Woohoo, there you go, guys. And I want to make it super big. So yeah. And yes, the table is flat so you can see my face. Super funny. And if this camera moves a bit, sorry about that. I dropped some. Okay. Alright, let's get on to the next one. Okay, so the next slime is a little bit bigger. Well, it's a lot bigger. And it has beads in it. Ooh, it's gigantic, and this container is also broken, but I'm fixing that. Oh god, guys, this thing is crazy. This is so big. I'm actually going to show it to you in a different angle. So I'm going to show you this slime in this angle. Whoa. Did you see that, guys? This thing is a big slime. I think this is about like 12 ounces, 16 ounces. This is 16 ounces. Oh my god. It is big. It is really big. La 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 la. What do you think, guys? Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the normal angle. Okay. Put it back in this container. 16 ounces of this slime. It's awesome. Alright. So now move on to this slime, which is a super pretty purple slime. And it's glittery. And it does stick to the container, which I really do not like so much, but it's fine. I'm just gonna take it out. Take some out. Watch this, guys. It falls so quickly. It's so awesome. Ooh. And it's just a little sticky, but it does get better. And guys, I am so excited for you guys to see all of the slimes that I have today because they are so awesome. I also have some borax here just in case they're way too sticky because I'm not really sure. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Oh, sorry. This is super nice. And it's purple and it has green glitters, or well, yeah, blue glitters. It has glitter at least, guys. And the glitter is so freaking pretty. I love it so much. It's so freaking pretty. It's, oh my gosh, this thing is so pretty. I call it she. Oh my god. Okay. It's so pretty and I do like it a lot. Just watch that, guys. Isn't that amazing? Just tell me that's not amazing. La, 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 la. So yeah. I'm actually going to add just a little bit of borax because it's so sticky. Okay. Slime is a really pretty slime, I have to say. I really like this one. It's a nice bleak color. The bottom, this doesn't stick to the container really. The bottom does though. The bottom just, like this bottom part would not come off. I don't know what's with this. It just would not. It's like something with the glitter in these containers. Anyways, this is like a butter slime that I made. Thing is, I didn't use any clay because this is a recipe I made up of how to make in here. And next, I'm actually saving the best one for last because it's like awesome. So the next next two are going to be in plastic bags because I kind of ran out of containers. So sad day, but whatever, it's fine. So this one is a super awesome black slime. Some people think it's purple. I don't know how. It's black though. Some black slime. It's all black. Oh god, I got some on my elbow. Whatever. I'm gonna move this out the way, guys, so you can't see it. I don't want you guys. It's awesome. It's sticky though. I'm gonna add some of this. Ooh, I don't. Let me add it in like that so you can see it. Look. Oh, God. I kind of put too much. That's okay though. I put too much. Way too much. And some is basically spilling onto the table. That's okay, guys. I can clean it off super easily. Yeah, easy. Easy up a little squeezy. You can see the water. I'm just spreading it across the table because I am picking it up with the slime. It actually does work if you need to make slime. This one is super sticky, guys. It's really sticky. Guys, I'm going to come back when I have a less sticky slime and get this off my hands. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm back and I got this slime. Now, I don't know why it shows like so like pale.
on the camera, but this is green. It's really green, actually. I don't know why. It's so weird. Okay. And this is the whole plastic bag. I just didn't want to take it all out. Like what happened last time. Okay. Okay. So next one is the last one in the plastic bag. It's purple. And after this one, I have one last slime. One more slime. It's crazy. But I'm not going to take out the whole thing. I'm just going to take out a bit. Like that much. This one is so freaking pretty. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. See that glitter? Yeah. It is so freaking pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it back in here. And sorry if this is a short video, guys. I didn't have very much left. So yeah. Oh, by the way, my stuff is down here, so you see me going down here. That's really why. That is why I am down here. All of this stuff is down here, so everything is down here. Everything's cool and part of the team. Everything is awesome. You're living in the dream. You're living the dream, not living in the dream. All the slimes that you've seen already, guys, is down there. So. This is the last slime. Last slime. So pretty. That's the last slime. Bye, guys. No. Just kidding, guys. I'm kidding. This is not the last slime. I still have like 2 more slimes that I'm going to do. So, yeah. Okay. This is a nice pretty slime. It's a little sticky. I'm going to be getting this last slime. This is like one of my biggest slimes. It is so green, guys. It's like pale on the screen. I don't know why all my greens look pale on the screen. It's just green, so. Guys, this is so big. I'm actually gonna like show you in a different guys. I have to like stand up for this. It's so big. Whoa! It's so big. Oh, whoa, oh. It's also an old slime. I bet this is like 16 ounces. Guys, let me tell you, if I mix all my slimes, every single one, I would have about 2 gallons of slime. I have that much slime. Probably not as much as many people do. Like, I know, like, famous people have, like, thousands and thousands of slimes. But right now, yeah. Ew, it's kind of sticky. Okay. That was my last slime. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, whatever you guys want me to do next. Just leave a comment down below because I would gladly do it for you guys. I am super excited that I started this YouTube channel, and this is my new second video. Hope you guys like this video. Bye!